Lovely students, I'm Miss Mariam Emad, a mathematics teacher, and I will be with you to help you understand all the math ideas, all the concepts. I will start with you from the beginning, and then we will take the advanced level after then, and we will solve exams, and we will solve hard questions to prepare you to take the SAT exam and get high scores. So subscribe my channel and focus with me. Today we will start with the first concept, which is exponents and radicals. Let's start with the exponents. What is the exponents? The exponents is the power. So you can say exponents or you can say power. It's in the form of x to the power n. X is called base and n is called power or exponent. Okay, so this is the form of the exponents. Let's take some rules will help me to solve. It's so important rule, so focus with me. The first rule, any number to the power 1, it's the same number. So any number to the power 1, that means that the number repeated only one time. So it's the same number. Let's take example. So it's a 3 to the power 1, it's a 3. 4 to the power 1, it's 4. So what is the meaning 4 to the power 1? It's 4 repeated only one time, so it's 4. 0.25 to the power 1 equals 0.25. So any number to the power 1 equals the number itself. It's so important rule. And any number to the power 0, that means it's not repeated. So that means it's 1. Okay, so any number to the power 0 equals 1. So 3 to the power 0 equals 1. 100 to the power 0 equals 1. Any number to the power 0 equals 1. Okay, another rule, and it's so important rule. X to the power m multiply x to the power n. If it's the same base and the focus, it must be the same base. So here it's x and also here it's x. It's the same base, so keep the base and add the power. So let's take example. 3 to the power 4 multiply by 3 to the power 5. So keep 3. Don't change it. Keep the base. So the base is 3. So I will keep 3 as it is. So it will be 3. And add the powers. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Let's take another example. 25 to the power 4 multiply 25 to the power 5. So, or another power like 6, okay? So I will keep the base. So I will keep 25 and add the power. When you add them, it equals 10. So it's 25 to the power 10. What about the division? The division is subtraction. So if you find x to the power m divided by x to the power n. So keep the base also. Keep the base. Don't change the base. So it will be x also. And then subtract the power. So let's take example. 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 3. So the base is 3, so keep 3 as it is. Don't change the base, so don't change the 3. And then subtract the power, so subtract 7 minus 3. And 7 minus 3 equals 4. So it's a 3 to the power 4. Okay. It's m to the power m all to the power n. So I have two powers. I can multiply them. So it's like x to the power m multiply n. So let's take example. It's a 3 to the power 2 all to the power 4. So I can write it as it's a 3 to the power 2 times 4, which is 8. So it's a 3 to the power 8. Another example. So if you have 4 to the power 3 all to the power 2. So it's 4, keep the base, and multiply the power. So it's a 3 multiply 2 equals 6. Okay, another rule, and it's so important. I can distribute the power. So if you have x, y to the power m, both of them to the power m, so I can distribute the power among them. So x to the power m and y to the power m. So I have 2 multiply 3 all to the power 3. It's like it's 2 to the power 3 alone. Multiply 3 to the power 3 alone. So, and the inverse also. So if you have 4 to the power 2, multiply 5 to the power 2. So I can write it as it's 4 multiply 5 all to the power 2, all together to the power 2. Okay, and also I can distribute the power under division. It's the same. So it's x over y all to the power m. So I can distribute the power among them. So x to the power m alone divided by y to the power m. So if I have 3 over 2 over 3 or 3 over 2 all to the power 3, so distribute the power among them. So distribute the power one time on 2 and another time on 3. So it's the inverse also. If you have 4 to the power 2 over 5 to the power 2, so it's 4 over 5 all to the power 2. Okay, and this is the last and the important rule in this part is the negative power. And the negative power make reciprocal. You have to find the reciprocal of the number. So if you have x to the power negative m, so how I remove the negative power? So I don't like the negative, so you can think like I don't like the negative power, so I want to remove this negative power. How I remove this negative power? Find the reciprocal of the number. So the multiplicative inverse. The reciprocal means the multiplicative inverse, by the way. So what is the multiplicative inverse of x? It's 1 over x. So remove the negative power and write it as it's 1 over x to the power m. Let's take example. For example, 3 to the power negative 4. Oh, negative. How I remove the negative? Find the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 3 to the power 4? It's 1 over 3 to the power 4. So I remove the negative by find the reciprocal of the number. I have another example. So this is very, very, very important example. 4 over 5 to the power negative 2. Oh, so negative power. So what is the meaning of negative power? Find the reciprocal of the number. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 4 over 5? It's 5 over 4. So it's 5 over 4 all to the power 2. I've removed it. Removed the negative power. And then I have 5 over 4 all to the power 2. Next video, we will take examples, and then we will take another part. So don't forget to subscribe and see you next video. Thank you so much and have a great day.